My name's Ken Kelly. I'm a senior project manager for Jamar Roofing. I've been here a little over 5 years out of the 20 years I've been doing this, and it's the most amazing company I've ever met. Family owned and operated for so many years. My background is commercial and residential roofing, but my main focus is residential, both single family and multifamily. And I estimate the jobs, go out and meet the owners and walk the property with them and just make some observations. And then once we decide on a plan of attack, then I come up with an estimate. We assign a crew to get the job done, and I monitor the jobs and on-site inspections and things like that. I'm in constant contact with my homeowners and just make sure that they're happy and that it's a beautiful job when it's all done. In my free time, I like to play guitar. I'm a singer-songwriter for many years. And I would like to add that one thing, out of all those 12 years of storm chasing that I did, it was a brutal lifestyle. 6 months here, 1 year there, go here, go there, all over Texas and Colorado. But I learned a lot, and I was able to bring that knowledge with me to Jamar Roofing. So I'm a total expert in insurance claims. I know how the different carriers operate, what they look for, and all those things, and I'm able to successfully negotiate on behalf of my clients and make sure that they're getting what they deserve, not a lowball figure. I love to help my homeowners, and we're family owned and operated, have been for so many years, but we feel like our homeowners are our extended family. That's the way we like to look at it. So yeah, please call me and I'll be happy to help you.